In today's video, I am going to guide you on how you can change YouTube Shorts thumbnail after posting. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go into your YouTube app because this option is not available if you are in the browser or PC. So make sure you're here in the app on your phone. And then from here, you want to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, which is right here. Now, you would want to tap here on your profile name to go into YouTube Studio and see all of your videos. And from here, you should see the shorts, or if not, then you can go here into shorts. Once you're here, you want to long press on the short that you would want to change the thumbnail in. For example, here on my first video, I'm going to long press, and then I should have these options. So now I want to tap here on edit. Now, in here, I should now be able to change the thumbnail by tapping here on the pencil icon on the top left. As you can see, we have that under edit details. So tap on it. And now from here, I would now be able to edit the thumbnail. So I just need to find a frame right here that I would want to use as my thumbnail. So let's say that I would want to go for this one right here. So now from here, I can now add some text. As you can see, I have that option in here. And I'm going to go for new thumbnail so that you could see that this is the new updated thumbnail right there. And then next is that I could go also for some filters in here on the bottom. So from here, I could go for maybe this filter just so that you could see that something has changed. And then once you're done editing your thumbnail, tap here on the check icon on the top right. And then here it is. As you can see, it has now been changed. Now, all that's left is to tap here on save on the top right. Tap on save right there. And it is now saved. As you can see at the bottom, it says changes saved. And you could already see it here in my shorts that it has changed the thumbnail. So that's it on how you could change your thumbnail here in YouTube Shorts after uploading. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.